Could free government money really be waiting for you online, or is that just another too good to be true internet trap? In this video, we take a closer look at FindFunds US, a website that claims it can help you locate unclaimed federal or state funds that might be sitting in your name. At first glance, the site promises a simple and valuable service, but once you dig deeper, the red flags start stacking up. For starters, the domain was just registered in June 2025, which makes it extremely new and not something you'd want to immediately trust with personal information. On top of that, there's no About Us section, no verified company behind it, and absolutely no clear contact information, raising serious concerns about transparency and accountability. Instead of linking directly to any known government databases, the site pushes you through a series of suspicious redirects and vague sign-up funnels, with no clear explanation of how your information is being used. It also claims to help people recover funds, but there's zero mention of partnerships with any official state treasuries, federal programs, or missing money websites, something any legitimate service would proudly promote. To make matters worse, there are no user reviews on Trustpilot or any credible feedback platforms, meaning we have no independent evidence that anyone has actually benefited from the site. While FindFunds.us isn't openly malicious, there's no reliable proof that it delivers on its promises either. If you're genuinely looking for unclaimed money, your safest bet is to stick with verified government resources like missingmoney.com or your state's official treasury website, rather than trusting a brand new site with questionable credibility.